YouTube. Let's do Bastille. What you gonna do? That's like the intro, and then it goes quiet, and the bass is just playing. So it goes E flat, the bass, B, F sharp, G sharp. Right, and then they go through the verse. This is the pre-chorus. Shake. You're going using that same A-shaped chord. You're going from the 4th fret, 6, 8, 11. These ones you're playing strings 4 and 3. And when you play just those strings, it's just a power chord. So that is going to be a B. That is C sharp. That's E flat. And that is F sharp. Okay, and then it goes through that pre-chorus twice, and then there's a little pause, and then they go into the chorus. And then when they go into the chorus, it's the same notes that the bass was playing. So it's E flat, B, F sharp. That's the chord progression for the chorus, and they're just playing power chords. And then they go into, they bring it down and they go into another verse, and it's the same chord progression. What you can do is, I'm exaggerating my lifting my ring finger off, but that's what you kind of got to do. Kind of turn each, instead of just playing the straight power chords, you do like a pull off. Then yeah, at the end I hear the rhythm guitar goes and just playing some single notes in the E flat minor pentatonic at the 11th fret. I think on the last, I hear him playing this on, that's just basically your E flat with the octave on the 11th. And then he goes into, I just hear him playing out of that position of the E flat minor pentatonic. So I hope that helped you if you're trying to play this song. And please subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.